So the Samsung event has just been unpacked and we've got some cool new tech from the brand. I'm M Qhd here on M Qhd Reviews, and when it comes to the S23 Ultra, before I show you all the colors to decide which one is right for you, let's run through some quick specs. So we're getting slight refinements to the design, a little more rounded on the edges, but we still have that stunning 6.8-inch Qhd Plus Edge Dynamic AMOLED display and that super smooth 120Hz refresh rate. For the performance, we're getting 12GB of RAM with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor across all markets, Android 13 with One UI 5.1 and a whopping 5000 mAh battery. Now there's also an update to the camera array, including a 200 megapixel wide camera, and I can't wait to test that out more in my full review and compare that with some other flagships, so hit subscribe button below to know when that video goes live. Okay, so as far as the colors are concerned, we've got some really nice options this year from Samsung, all inspired by nature and matte in finishing. Starting with my favorite, which is the green. In different lighting, it has that slight steel look, which it changes from a tweed mature green to a dark gray. It's subtle, but I think it looks really nice, and I like how on this, but also on the rest of the colors, Samsung have contrasted the sides. The second is a subtle lavender, certainly going to appeal to those that want a lighter option with a splash of color. Again, this looks like a purple mixed with pink in some lighting and then off-white in others. It's very nice. Let me know what you think. We then get the classic cream color. This is a great option if you like your phone light but clean in look, and it has that nice industrial silver finishing on the frame. I think it's also going to be really popular. And finally, we have the dark night. This color just looks serious and it's always very popular. Phantom Black, which looks as good as it sounds, full stealth mode with this one, and I like having handled all of these how the matte finish really helps keep those fingerprints away. Now this year's S23 Ultra also have the matching S Pens with majority of it black, and then you get that subtle splash of color to complement each model color. There are also new cases for the entire S23 lineup, including for the Ultra. Here's one that allows easy holding with one hand. It's helpful to prevent it from slipping out of your hand. And then there's this new one incorporating this detachable clip feature that can actually be swiveled and used as a stand, or to hold your S23 device with a thumb, or you can just take it off if you need. It's pretty cool accessories alongside others that are coming for the S23 range. So this year's S23 Ultra models are a further refinement with updates to performance, battery life, and that new 200 megapixel sensor. There's already been a lot of excitement around this launch, and I'm planning on bringing you more coverage and in-depth videos real soon. So hit that bell icon to find out. But guys, what do you think? Are you excited and planning on getting one of these models? And if so, which one? Drop me a comment below. Now, go and check out this other cool video. Peace and blessings.